Hello, my name is Lovepreet, also known by the name Checkmate. I have been a 3D artist for the past 2 years. I am from India. I will be teaching Blender to beginners who want to learn from scratch. That will include navigating the Blender, modeling, texture, lighting, background, and rendering the scene. I will also be teaching different add-ons, asset, and art style to people who have some experience but want to expand their talent more. I will be providing materials and resources as per the need of the course and students. Students will have to follow the classes and make similar models by applying the things I teach in the class. I encourage original work from my students with a personal touch. Let's get into the world of 3D together. Thank you.